Let me show you all display settings available on the Google Pixel 10a. So let's open settings on our phone, and then in here search for display and touch in order to find all display settings. Now in here at the top we can adjust the screen brightness, pretty straightforward. We can also toggle the adaptive or automatic screen brightness, and there's also the enhanced HDR brightness as well. Here we can of course adjust the intensity of that HDR brightness as well, in case you want to change that. Now this is pretty cool that we can actually adjust the brightness only for this spot. And in here we can also find some lock screen settings, but I don't think they are that important right now. Over here we can find AOD, or always on display. And unfortunately it is pretty simple, pretty straightforward AOD. There is no customization of it, unfortunately. The screen timeout option allows you to choose after what time of inactivity the screen should be automatically put to sleep. In my case I'm gonna choose 2 minutes because it's just convenient for the sake of these videos. And in your case you probably want to use 15 or 30 seconds. You can also enable screen attention, which allows the phone to stay on if you're looking at it, even if you exceed the screen timeout. Now, besides that, we have the dark theme, which of course can be deactivated if you don't like it. You can also tap on the dark theme in order to find the expanded option, which allows you to automatically apply dark theme to most apps that do not support the dark theme by default. This can improve the accessibility and readability, but some things might not be displayed correctly as a result, so you need to keep that in mind. There is also the timing, so you can create a schedule, so the dark mode can be automatically enabled and disabled at a given time. The night light option, or the blue light filter, turns your screen yellow or orange in order to protect your eyes if you're looking at the screen at night. You can tap on the option itself as well in order to adjust the intensity, so you can make it really orange if you want to, and of course you can create a schedule as well. Here we have some color settings for display, so you can apply natural or adaptive screen colors. There's the color contrast setting as well. We have some touch settings, so you can increase the touch sensitivity in case you have issues, for example, after applying a screen protection. We have touch diagnostics as well, so you can see if the display is fine or if you have some issues with the display, if some part of it is not working, for example. We can also find the automatic screen rotation in here, which you can easily enable and disable. When enabled, you can also toggle face detection, so the phone rotates the screen based on how your face is rotated for your phone. And the smooth display, which allows you to enable 120Hz display refresh rate. That is pretty much it. Of course, for more visual changes, you can check out wallpaper and style, where we can customize the lock screen and home screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.